Hello, welcome to the Media Creator channel. Today I will teach you how to make effective images in Photoshop with the Mixer Brush tool. Add a white layer under the image. I'm going to remove the background of the image. I'm masking it for this. The masking process is over. Copy the photo and select the bottom layer. Select my Mixer Brush tool. Enter the settings that I made. To select a color, press the Alt key and click on the photo. I'm doing experiments. It's nice like this. Let's move on to our other photo. It's nice like this. Subscribe to the channel and press like. See you at the next training sessions.